fine, man. You want the water? Oh, you want this? That's the water? I don't have food.
You look like food, Darren. You should get getting close.
People feed him, obviously. You never feed him. Look at him, man.
Ready?
You ever see a bird come up to you that close? Like,
No, not even ducks or...
you could go grab your light if you want. Guess what? See, girls, if this was the end of the world, you'd be dinner. Oh, there's a mosquito on me.
Yeah.
What's he eating?
There's water leaking out of here.
Because
the lid's not right. I think he's pecking
He's eating grass.
He didn't drink out of that one?
Probably is not used to drinking out of a water bottle.
There's been so much rain, I'm sure.
Yep, that's the ocean. You can see light on it.
Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
light too. Hi, Betty!
Do you think he says crack crack, Dan?
How do birdies sound?
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. What's that birdie's name?
Fred.
Chancho.
That's Fred.
He's Fred.
Yeah, he's Fred.
I can't stay in the sun too long. I just shave my head.
Hi, Fred.
Let go of this.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred.
What are you doing
See you
now?
later, Fred. Going to people that give him
We
food.
just didn't have any food.
Yeah, we
We
don't.
walked to the top of the mountain without food.
Nobody's shooting.
The bus is coming from up down there. Why is somebody shooting?
So what's down there?
I didn't get a chance to get there because the bird stopped.
Uh-oh, here comes that hawk. Don't move. Let's see if the hawk sees the bird. Where did he go?
He's going to eat the bird.
Where'd the bird go? Did he hide?
Yeah.
He eats a bird that big.
Yeah. That bird must have saw him. Where'd he hide at, though?
In a gopher hole.
Oh, there he is. He got back up now.
I think he blends with the...
That's awesome. It's the hawk costume.
I know.
He's bad.
Look, Hannah, don't put in my pocket. So hockey.
Yeah, McKenna, you want a 2-year-old to carry your bottle.
What?
It's not heavy. Come on.
Pocket. You don't have a pocket to put it in? Here.